Hey, let me show you how you can input pendrive into your Samsung Galaxy A35 5G. So first of all, you have to actually navigate into the settings and enable USB debugging. So scroll down, select About Phone. From this, go into the software information and you have to keep tapping on the build number. Now, when you enable the developer mode, you have to go back from this one, move into the developer options, and now scroll down and you have to move into the USB debugging. So we have to simply turn it on. Now you have to just plug your pen drive straight into your phone. So you have to input it just right here into the USB-C port. And now you can find this information at the top. When we enable it, we can find that there's like something connected. This is the USB storage, so we can simply open it. And as you can see, now we can just find all of your data on this pen drive. So as you can see, I've got some data export from my some backup from my PlayStation, some photos and stuff like this. So that's how we can do this. Right now, please subscribe.